Hi everyone, I'm honored to introduce RM2EIS, a tool for generating enterprise information system from contract-based requirements model. RM2EIS is an extension to existing work. RM2PT can validate requirements and generate a prototype, but it cannot generate a complete EIS. RM2EIS can solve the problem of EIS generation. EIS is important but has problems in development, which is time-consuming, laborious, and error-prone. Let me introduce the input and output first. RM2EIS starts from a contract-based requirements model, which contains first, a use case diagram. Second, system sequence diagrams. Third, the contracts of system operations, which specify the conditions that the state of the system. Fourth, a conceptual class diagram. The output can be divided into 4 levels. RM2EIS takes the requirement model as input, which is validated by RM2PT, and outputs an executable EIS, which can be further deployed in Kubernetes. Now let's take a look at Demo Kokum, a supermarket system which comes from RM2PT. It describes the scenarios of the cashier to process sales, and managers to manage the storage of products. Open the use case diagram first. You can right-click the use case to open the related system sequence diagram. Then look at the conceptual class diagram, which presents the attributes and relations of the entities. Finally, have a glance at the contracts, which are written in OCL. Next, create an EIS and make some configurations. Before running the EIS, you can use the dev container to conduct an examination. We have already built an image using the auto-generated Docker file. And thus we can open the project with Xcode as a dev container, which can be an excellent debug environment. Now check the cloud environment and you will find there is no container run by the user. Then start the service using Eclipse Run Wizard. The service is running. Connect to the database and you will find it is empty. Let's simulate the sales process, where the salesperson opens a sale, enters the item, and closes the sale. We filled in some necessary data beforehand. Next, we will use Swagger as a visual calling tool. First, make a new sale. Then enter an item. You can find the change of inventory before and after this step. Finally, stop the sale. After all work is completed, you can choose to stop the service. In summary, RM2EIS provides the ability to automatically generate code from the requirement model, as well as cloud configuration of the code and a dev container for debugging.